In this video, I will show you how you can make 6K every day with your smartphone. You are lucky if you have a smartphone. Good luck to you, and make sure you watch this video from beginning to an end. If you are new to my channel, my name is Amada Olorunwa. I make video on how to make money online, dollar and crypto arbitrage, general graphics design and spiritual tips. And please make sure you like this video so that YouTube will show this video to more people who usually need it. And make sure you subscribe if you have not done so. You might be wondering what types of business that will fetch us 6K every day, and I'm going to show you in this video where you can buy cheapest data so far. And then this website is not common. You will hardly see this website outside because just is a new research, okay, and it has been in a long existence, but many people don't know it. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you where you can buy data at a cheaper price. Okay, as a beginner you can buy this data at the amount of 216, okay, 216, and you sell it 300 naira as a beginner. But for me, I sell from 400 upward because many people knows me very well that I sell data and then I make extra money in a month, like 40,000 naira. Okay guys, so I will show you I will practicalize everything for you. You'll be able. By and large, anyone can do this business and make cool money concerning this one. Okay guys, so what I mean by this one, now let's practicalize it. Imagine you buy 200 and data 1 gig data 216 naira. For instance, now you go to buy data. So when you get to buy data, you select the plan. For instance, you can see that we have MTN, Glo, Airtel and 9 Mobile. Okay, for instance, now I want to buy MTN. You just come to this place and click MTN and you select SME or corporate gifting card. Let me select SME, and then the data plan. Can you see that the data plan now is that the 500 MB is 112 naira, and then 1 gig is 216, 2 gig is 434, and then 3 gig is 651, and 5 gig is 1085, 10 gig is 2170. As you can see, this one now everything is from monthly, and then you can buy this data and you resell it. You can sell it 300 naira as a beginner, but for me, I have many customers and then they know me already. I sell my own from 400 upwards. As a beginner, you can start your own with 300 naira and make your cool money. Okay guys, so it's very cheap, and then none of the people on YouTube have this website. Okay guys, and it's not common. This website is not common at all. It's not common, and then you can use it and buy data, sell data, and you can also use it for personal consumption. You can be using it, to just recharge your card, and you can also use it to subscribe for cable subscription. Okay, use it for cable subscription like GoTV, StarTime and then DSTV. You can also use it to buy Wire check card and Echo and NBT check card. Okay guys, so you make cool money with this site. In a month I make 40k, extra 40k. Okay guys, because many people knows me. I design, I have my billboard, my everything in my street, so everybody just contact me. Some people will just send me account, and then the description will just be data, but I will transfer it for them immediately. So that is how I make my money cool with this business. Okay guys, so this is how you can recharge. If you want to recharge now, your personal information is there. Just come down to the transaction phone wallet. If you go to phone wallet, so as you can see, whether you use automated bank transfer or ATM transfer or money manual funding or paystack funding, or you can use bank directly. Okay, automatic bank transfer is this. So when you click on it like this, as you can see, my own, this is my account number, my money point account number, and then I also have money Wema bank account number. Immediately you use this, you copy this account and you transfer to this, automatically your
your account will recharge directly. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have been doing some transaction here many time ago. Okay, so let me just go back to the home so that you can be able to see this my dashboard. Now I have been doing some transaction. You can see some money here on my account, 950, so it's still there, so that I use it to buy data. Okay, when I buy data, many people request for the data and then I buy it for them. So that is how this website goes away, and you also make your money. Okay guys, find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.